Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today in the second video we'll take a look at the Great British Pound. So in general, guys, among major currency pairs starts to appear the signs of some bullish signs. So yesterday we have talked about the Australian dollar, so there we have discussed the possibility of the appearing of the double repo buy pattern right at the major weekly support, and after completion of the weekly daily extended XLP target. So just to remind you, I will show you that double repo really has been formed. The market already starts to show signs of the upward bounce. So here's our guided steeple to sell, dropping lower, and here's market has formed the double repo buy, and upward action is continuing. So that's what we have talked about. On our chart there was the ability to take the position, so this was the guided steeple to buy. Minor pattern has been formed here. So upward action is continuing. So scenario is working. Minimum target, as we said, will be around 75. 75 areas will be 50% resistance, probably should be reached by the market. But the same signs we start to see among other major swords. In euro currency, we're watching for bounce in general. Maybe not today, it will continue, but in general we have the weekly view that on the weekly chart this market should hit 120, 121 area. And today I would like to take a look at the Great British Pound. On the Great British Pound we have the long-term bearish view, but in the shorter term it really could form the pattern that's similar to euro currency. So as you remember, on the weekly of the euro we expect to get the possible hand shoulders. The same could become the weekly on the Great British Pound. So I'll take a look at the weekly chart. We have this could become left shoulder, head. It's very similar action to the euro currency. Now the right shoulder could be formed here as well, because the overall fundamental perspective for United Kingdom economy, as in the domestic statistics, as due to the Brexit, it's not really very inspiring, and we think that in the long-term perspective Great British Pound should continue dropping. But right now, before this will happen, we expect to see maybe the same pattern will be formed as on the euro currency, so it's become the hand shoulders. That's why I thought that maybe it will be useful to take a look at the Great British Pound today. And on the daily chart, in fact, we see very important moment. So that was the target that we have discussed a couple of weeks ago. When the market has formed this double top, we said that the target of the double top will be A, B, C bottom, C top, and double extension to the downside. So this is classical target of the double top. Distance between the tops to the neckline, counted in the direction of the breakout, and market has hit it. So you can see here there's not the XOP, there's not 1618, but this coefficient of the 2 we used. So this is actually equal to this one. And this target has been completed. Pips to pips, market has turned to the upside action. So here market also could form kind of the double repo pattern. On the intraday chart, on the follow time frame chart, this price action is taking the shape of the butterfly, and upward reversals already has started. That's why if you would like to take the short position, you probably need to keep an eye on this level, 37.40. This will be 50% resistance of the whole thrust down, because thrust is really perfect. You can see no meaningful retracement has happened, no close above the 3x3, except maybe in this moment, but it was also very small retracement until right till the bottom. I would suggest that if this upward action will happen right to this area, here probably we have the chance to get the minor reverse hand shoulders pattern, because it happens very often. And the butterfly becomes part of the hand shoulders, and hand shoulders later push prices slightly higher. This will be also previous low, so market could retest this area. And 37.40, we'll take a look at the weekly chart. It stands approximately it stands approximately in harmony with the top of the left shoulder. So that's why retracement to this area looks very probable. So if you would like to take the short position, then 37.40 will be the area that you need to keep an eye on, because here market could reestablish downward action. If you would like to take the long positions, take the scalp trade, keep an eye on this upward action. You could try to use the retracement of this recent rally and attempt to take the long position with the hope that market will proceed high. So definitely the first destination will be approximately 34.70. This will be a neckline potential head and shoulders pattern here on the daily chart. Next target will be kind of the A, B, C, D pattern based on this larger head and shoulders pattern. This would, as we expect, it probably will be right to the point that we have specified on the daily chart. So definitely the situation on the Great British Pound is also worth of our attention. So it provides the opportunity for trading as on the intraday chart. There's the opportunity to take the position on the weekly chart a bit later. So it's really interesting.